our processes, our management systems, those sorts of things, makes us stand out. We have a crew behind us. It's not just us that's swinging hammers and procuring and going through design and everything like that. With the architect, we have contract administrators that are locking trades away and ordering materials. We have a project manager that deals with client liaison or architectural meetings and things like that. We have Jared on site looking over quality. We have me in the office looking over finances and all that sort of stuff. So all that pieced together. You know, we have site managers.
Yeah, we've got an in-house carpentry team. We've got 5 full-time carpenters that work for us. And we find, especially with the renovations and extensions, that having your own carpentry team, you know, at your will, basically to do whatever you want with, you know, really controls the quality and ensures that the jobs, you know, run smoothly and continuously.
Yeah, and I guess us as a builder, we want to stick in our lane.
Yeah.
We don't want to get involved in design and start to, you know, undermine the aesthetics of a home or...
That's an architect's job.
Yeah.